Okay, so we are going to work on the area of a circle. So the area of the circle is found using the formula A, which stands for area, equals pi, which we remember is the value 3.14, or is approximately that value. That's what we're going to use though. And then times r squared. And this right here means the radius times the radius. So looking at this then, notice in order to find the area, you must know the radius. If you don't know the radius, you can't use this formula. And remember, like I said before, the symbol r squared means that we multiply the radius by itself. So this is pronounced, this right here, it's pronounced r squared, and it means r times r. So now we're going to grab a calculator and we're going to practice. So here we go. We've got area equals pi r squared. So we know that pi is 3.14, so we have 3.14 times 6 is the radius, times 6 is the radius. So we throw this in the calculator, 3.14 times 6, and that gives us 113. And if we read the directions, it says round your answer to the nearest tenth, so we're going to go 113, and then it's just going to be 0.0. So I'm not going to write down the 0.0, that's kilometers squared. Likewise, number 2, again, area equals pi r squared. So pi is 3.14. R squared, well, our radius is 2.4, so we go 2.4 times 2.4. So following the formula, put it in the calculator, 3.14 times 2.4 times 2.4 gives me 18.1 centimeters squared. This time around, the only difference is that these problems say, hey, we're going to just describe the word radius. So here we go. A equals pi r squared. And again, pi is 3.14. Our radius is 5.9 times our radius, which is still 5.9. So we put this in the calculator. 3.14 times 5.9 times 5.9. And that gives us 109.3 centimeters squared when rounded to the nearest tenth. The last one, area equals pi times r squared. So that's pi, which is 3.14, times the radius squared. The radius is 11.8 times 11.8, because that's what it means to square a number. So again, we grab the calculator, 3.14 times 11.8 times 11.8. And that gives us 437.2 kilometers squared. And this, I want to make sure. I don't like that too, the way I wrote it. It needs to be a superscript. So there we go. So this is how we use the formula for area to find the area of the circle when given the radius. If you want to know more about this, you can watch a separate video that describes why this formula works. Thanks.